Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal with your Visa card. First, let's link your Visa to your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section and choose to link a new card. You'll input your Visa card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. This process is quick and secure, typically taking less than 2 minutes. PayPal employs robust encryption to safeguard your financial details, ensuring your information remains private and protected throughout. This setup allows for seamless transactions. Once your Visa card is linked, sending money is straightforward. When making a payment, you can select your Visa as the funding source. Be aware that sending personal payments using a credit card often involves a small fee, usually around 2.9% plus a fixed amount, to cover processing costs. However, when you purchase items from online stores, the merchant typically covers these fees, so you pay nothing extra. This flexibility makes sending money easy and adaptable to your needs. Receiving money through PayPal is simple. Funds arrive directly in your PayPal balance. For online shopping, PayPal acts as a secure intermediary. At checkout, select PayPal, then choose your linked Visa card as your preferred payment method. This allows you to make purchases without directly sharing your card details with every merchant. You maintain full control, easily switching between your PayPal balance, bank account, or Visa card to complete transactions efficiently and securely across thousands of online stores. Managing your linked Visa card is simple and important for security. You can update or remove your card details anytime in the Wallet section of your PayPal account. Always review your transaction history regularly for any unfamiliar activity. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. If you ever suspect fraudulent charges or encounter any issues, do not hesitate to contact PayPal customer support immediately. They are available to assist you with any concerns regarding your linked Visa card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.